Hi everyone, my name is Michael Van Sickle, and welcome to my course, Uploading Files with the JavaScript REST API. Web applications send and receive a variety of types of information between the server and the user, such as strings and dates. Files, however, stand out on this diverse field and require special handling. In this course, we are going to explore the unique challenges associated with sending and receiving files between a web browser and a JavaScript-powered server. Some of the major topics that we will cover include sending files from a web browser using HTML markup and JavaScript, how to receive uploaded files on the server, and finally, you'll learn about the options that the server offers for sending files back down to the client. By the end of this course, you'll know everything you need to send and receive files between servers and clients. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with HTML and JavaScript, both client-side and server-side. A basic understanding of Express.js, the web framework we'll be using, is helpful but not required. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to work with files in your web applications with the Uploading Files with the JavaScript REST API course at Pluralsight.